How to fix the page is unresponsive error in Google Chrome. So if your Chrome browser keeps freezing or you're stuck on this not responding page, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your Start menu. You can then search for Task Manager and click on this window here. Now click on the search box at the very top of the page and you just need to go and search for Chrome. You should see Google Chrome in the list. Go and right click on it and then press End Task. Now once Google Chrome is completely shut down, you could then open the browser again, and now there's a couple of settings we need to change to prevent this from happening in the future. So go and click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side and then click on Settings. Now click on Privacy and Security, scroll down to Third-Party Cookies and click on this, and click on Block Third-Party Cookies. You can then press About Chrome from the left-hand side and make sure your Chrome is fully up to date. So you can see right now that my Chrome is updating, and you'll just need to wait for this to get to 100%. Now click on System from the left-hand side, make sure Use Graphics Acceleration when available is turned on, and then finally click on Privacy and Security, click on Delete Browsing Data, click on More and select All Time. You'll then need to press Delete from this device, and once you've done this, close out of the browser and try reopening it. You could then check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, the final solution is to click back on these three vertical dots, click on Settings, and in the left hand side select Reset Settings. Now click on Restore Settings to their original defaults, and then just go and press the Reset Settings button. Once you've done this, that should fix the issue where Google Chrome is not responding.